Maths class. Previous class we discussed about the total surface area, curved surface area of cube and cuboid and cylinder also we have studied. Today we are discussing the surface area of another solid shape, that is right circular cone. All of you knows what is the shape of a cone. You all knows that ice cream cone, ice cream you already knows that cone. You all knows that what will be the shape of this. This is the shape of a cone. The top triangle like part is there, then base is circular shape. That's why we are calling this right circular cone. Cone means another shaped cone also there, but right circular cone means its base will be circle. That and base part will be circular shape, that is known as the right circular cone. Suppose that you got a right triangle ABC. B is the right angle at B. Just we are making a rotation. We are just rotating that right triangle. What shape you will get? Just think about that. A right triangle is ABC is a right triangle. Right angle at B. Along A is the top part. B is right angle 90 degree and C. Along BC, according to B as the axis, we are making one revolution or one rotation. You got a right circular cone. Now we are discussing its slant height and radius, all these things. Just OAB, just I marked it is a right triangle. At A it is 90 degree. H is the height of the cone. One new name we are studying, that is slant height. This length OB is known as the slant height and OA is the height of the right triangle and AB is the radius that we are marked as R. L is the slant height, H is the height of the cone, R is the radius. Then CSA or LSA of a cone. CSA or LSA means the top part, triangular part only. That area only known as the CSA or LSA of a cone, that is equal to pi r L. Pi value you will get 22 by 7 or 3.14. Then pi r L will be the curved surface area, that is triangular part only. Total surface area means base area also we are considering. Then what is the base of the right circular cone? That is a circle. So its area is pi r square. Then total surface area will be pi r L plus pi r square. Curved surface area plus base area. Base is circle. Its area is pi r square. Then pi r L plus pi r square. That will be the total surface area of the cone. From these two we can take pi r common outside. Then pi r into r plus L will be the total surface area of a cone. Slant or curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cone is pi r L. TSA of a cone is pi r into r plus L. Next I am discussing this. L is the slant height, H is the height of the cone, R is the radius of the cone. I already told that angle A is equal to 90 degree. So OAB is a right triangle. Then using Pythagoras theorem, here the 90 degree, its opposite side will be the hypotenuse. Here L is the hypotenuse, that will be the longest side. Then r square plus h square will be the other two side. Using Pythagoras theorem, you can say that L square is equal to r square plus h square, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Then L is equal to root of r square plus h square. This also you want to study, because in some cases the question you will get the h and r value only, then we can find out the L. Suppose that L and h is get, you want to find out r. Using this formula we can find out. Suppose in your question r and h is only given, then how we can find out L? L is equal to root of r square plus h square. L is the longest side, so plus we are doing addition. All other cases, suppose that you want to find out r. R square is equal to we are taking this h square to the left side, that is L square minus h square. So R is equal to root of L square minus h square. The same way h is equal to root of L square minus R square. This way we can find out the different values. Sometimes in the question we will get two values only. The third one we can find out using this formula. In the case of L, you want to remember like that L is the longest side, so that you want to add the remaining two sides square. So L is equal to root of R square plus H square. H is equal to root of, if you are finding out H or R, you are subtracting that value from L square. So H is equal to root of L square minus R square. R is equal to root of L square minus H square. H is equal to root of L square minus R square. Clear this? Next question. Find the curved surface area of a right circular cone whose slant height is 10 cm and base radius is 7 cm. You want to find out the CSA. You already knows that CSA of cone, CSA of a right circular cone is equal to pi r L. Then you want to look which all values are given. Slant height, that is L is given. L is equal to 10 centimeter and base radius R is given 7 centimeter. Then our formula is pi r L. Here pi value is not given. You can take as pi is equal to 22 by 7. Then 22 by 7 into 10. That is pi r into L. This 7 and 7 we can cut. 22 into 10 means 220. Area normally we are taking as centimeter square. So CSA of a cone is equal to 220 centimeter square. Is it clear? Next question. The height of a cone is 16 centimeter. Here height is given, not slant height. So h is equal to 16 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter. You want to find out CSA, curved surface area, and total surface area of the cone. Both you want to find out. You already knows that CSA means pi r L. But here given R and H only. So you want to find out first L value. That you knows that L is equal to root of R square plus H square. That is 16 square plus 12 square. 16 square means 256 plus 144. That is equal to root of 400. That is 20 centimeter. So L is equal to 20. So CSA of cone is equal to pi r L. They already given here. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So 3.14 into R is 12. L is 20. Those three you want to multiply. Our answer is 753.6. 753.6 centimeter square will be the curved surface area of the cone. Next they ask TSA of the cone also, that is total surface area is equal to TSA of a cone. TSA of cone is equal to pi r into r plus L. Then substitute the value. 3.14 into r is 12. Then 12 plus 20. 12 plus 20, that is 3.14 into 12 into 20 plus 12 means 32. Then 3.14 into 12 into, that is, our answer will be 1205, 1205.76. 1205.76 centimeters square. Then now you clear that TSA and CSA of a cone. We can do one more question. Just hear the question clearly. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. You already knows that what joker's cap, what shape it is. It will be in the shape of a cone. Then Base radius is 7 centimeter. This is exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 7. Question number 7. A joker's cap is in the form of a cone whose base radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is given 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. H is equal to 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Find the area. Required. Find the area required to make 10 such caps. Then, which area you want to find out? Here they told area only. Total surface area or curved surface area here want to find out. Cap is A, then base is not needed because you want to keep in the head. So, base part is open. So, curved surface area only you want to find out. So, pi RL you want to find out. It is not total surface area because base part is open. So, you want to find out the curved surface area. So, you know that CSA is equal to pi RL. But you know that R and H only given. First, you want to find the value of L. L is equal to root of R square plus H square. That is 7 square plus 24 square. 7 square means 49 plus 24 into 24. 576. 576 plus 49. 625. Root of 625, that is equal to 25 itself. So, you got pi r L. You got the value of L. Next, you want to find out the area required. Sheet of paper required for making one cap. That will be pi RL. Then first you want to find out the pi RL value. Here we can take 22 by 7 into R is equal to 7 into L 25. You can cut this 7 and 7. Then 25 into 22. That is equal to 550. 550 centimeter square is the area of the sheet required to make one cap. We are making 10 such caps. Then area required for making 10 caps is equal to 550 into 10. That is equal to 5500 centimeter square. This will be the area of the sheet required for making 10 such caps. Our next topic is surface area of a sphere. Sphere means what shape? In the case of a football, any ball, that will be in the shape of a sphere. In the case of cone cylinder, all we studied curved surface area, total surface area, like that. But in the case of a sphere, we are considering only total surface area. The total simply surface area saying that also means total surface area. Here in the case of a sphere, we are not considering curved surface area or lateral surface area. Surface area of a sphere means we are considering total surface area. Then TSA of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square will be the total surface area or surface area of a sphere. Suppose that we are cutting an orange is there. In the half of that we are cutting that. Then each piece you got, that is known as a hemisphere. But in the case of a hemisphere, we are considering curved surface area and total surface area also. Suppose that we are cutting a sphere into two equal parts. Each one is known as a hemisphere. In the case of a hemisphere, we are considering lateral surface area or total surface area of a hemisphere also. Suppose that one hemisphere is this hemisphere. Then here we are considering this part area only. This is known as the curved surface area of a hemisphere. In the case, this is hemisphere. This is hemisphere. If you are considering this part only, this is known as the curved surface area of a hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Its half will be CSA of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. If you are considering here, if you are cutting an orange, you already know that this part, curved part is there. Then again one more circle part also coming. So total surface area of a hemisphere means this curved surface area 2 pi r square. Again this is one circle. Its area will be pi r square. So TSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square plus this part area will be pi r square. One more circle part is there. Its area will be pi r square. Then 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is equal to 3 pi r square. So total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. TSA of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. CSA of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. All those things you want to keep in mind. We can do one question. Find the surface area of a sphere. Find surface area of a sphere whose radius is of radius 7 centimeter. Radius 7 centimeter. Find the surface area. I already told in the case of a sphere that will be only total surface area. Then TSA of a sphere is equal to TSA of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. R square means R into R. We can cut 1 7. Then 22 into 4, that's equal to 88. 88 into 7. 616. So 616 centimeter square will be the total surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. We can do one more question. Find the CSA curved surface area and TSA total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Here we want to find out the hemisphere is that. So we can find out TSA and CSA also. First we can find out CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r, how much? 21. 21 into 21. We can cut this 21 3 times. Then 44 into 2 into 22, 44 into 63. 2722 centimeter square. Next we want to find out the TSA of the hemisphere. TSA is equal to 3 pi r square, that is 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, that we can 7 times 3 times, then 66, 3 into 22 means 66 into 63, 66 into 63, that is 4158 centimeter square. This will be the total surface area and curved surface area both we find out. Okay students, we can find out that, meet on the next class.